Given that n is a natural number, prove that n cubed plus 2 is not divisible by 8. So n being a natural number, I'm going to split all of those natural numbers up into even integers and odd integers. And then I'm going to try and show that this statement is not divisible by 8 in both of those. So if n is even, I could say that n equals 2k, which would mean then that n cubed plus 2 would be 2k cubed plus 2. Now 2k cubed is 2k times 2k times 2k, which is 8k cubed. Now this is certainly divisible by 8 because it's a multiple of 8, but the 2 isn't, so I could divide the yellow bit by 8, but I can't divide the 2. So I can say 8k cubed is divisible by 8, but 8k cubed plus 2 is not divisible. Right, what about if n was odd? In that case, I could say that it would be 2k plus 1. That's how I can represent an odd number. So that way, the n cubed plus 2 would become 2k plus 1 cubed plus 2. Now, to expand those brackets, let me just do a bit of rough working out to expand these brackets. We've got the 2k squared is 4k squared. The 2k times the 1 is 2k, but there's 2 of those, so that's going to be 4k. And then we've got the 1 squared. We've then got the 2k times the 4k squared, which is 8k cubed. The 2k times the 4k is 8k squared. The 2k times the 1 is 2k. And now we've got 1 times all of these terms here. And collecting up the like terms, we've got the 8k cubed. We've got the 12k squared, the 6k, and then the plus 3. Right, now one thing I notice about this is we've got this plus 3 on the end. And I also notice that all of these are multiples of 2. So by factorising 2 out from these terms here, to get this, I know that this green bit is even. This is a multiple of 2, so that has to be even. So when I add 3 to it, that must be an odd number. So plus 3 gives an odd number. And an odd number can never be divisible by 8. So therefore, is not divisible by 8. So we have shown that if n is even, it's not divisible by 8, and if n is odd, it is not divisible by 8. So therefore, if it's any natural number, it is not divisible by 8. There are other ways of doing that question. That's just the way I would have done it. I can check other methods that you may wish to try when you hand this homework in.